Hello, to go into camera pro mode on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your camera app, then select more, and right here you have pro mode. You select this, and right here you have a bunch of options you can change to make your pictures better, depending on the environment you make your pictures. So basically, at the bottom you have functions like this, and like when you pick any function, the information icon appears. As you press it, here you have a description of each function, like what it does. So right here you have the camera sensitivity to light, here is the shutter speed, this is the exposure, here you can choose if you want to focus manually or automatically, and right here it should be white balance. Also, if you change some options and you don't know what are the default options, you can you can swipe from left to the right, and right here appears the icon to reset to defaults or into auto mode. So yeah, that's it from the bottom. Let's go into the top, and right here you can change your photo manipulation settings, and here is contrast, highlight, shadow, saturation and tint. Here you can change matrix, and by selecting any matrix option you have a description of which matrix does what, basically. Here you have the timer shutter. Here you can turn on and off the lighting. Here we have camera settings, and simply that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.